If you're watching this video, that probably means you would like to create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail, right? So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to teach you how. All you have to do is head to PicMonkey.com and follow along. Once you're at the PicMonkey homepage, you'll see tons of ways you can start creating. You can start from a blank canvas, you can start from a template, which there are tons of YouTube thumbnail templates to pick from. And they're completely customizable. Just click Customize and replace images, change colors, and change your text. Although templates are a great place to start, if you want to start from scratch, click the Create button at the top of the page. You can choose a blank canvas and scroll down to YouTube thumbnail. Or you can start off using an image from your computer. That's what we're going to do today. So once I have my image opened up, the first thing I want to do is crop it so that I have the right dimensions. Click YouTube thumbnail and adjust the crop placement and hit apply. Now that I have my image at a YouTube thumbnail size, I'm going to start adding graphics. I'm going to start off with this square and add some layers to my design. First off, I'm going to fade it so that I can see through the graphic. And I'm going to change the color. First, I'm going to use the palette and then use the spectrum to adjust the color. I'm going to add another square, but this time just the outline. I'm going to make it white and make sure it's the same size. As you can see, the grids and alignment really help me keep everything nice and aligned. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to go ahead and choose some text. Keep in mind when creating a YouTube thumbnail, it's important to pick bold, legible fonts. Once I have all of my text on there, I like to multi-select them by holding down my Shift key and move them around together. I'm going to use my eraser tool to erase part of this outline box. Multi-select them again and drag them in. When you multi-select layers, you can resize them, change their colors, and more. I'm going to group this whole bunch, and now I can move it around and treat it as one layer. Here's a fun tip. If you have some white text on an image, go to your graphics and apply a black rectangle on the layer behind your text. Fade it so that it's completely see-through. And now your text stands out. And here's another cool trick. If you have the layer selected, you can add effects to it. I'm going to add a gradient, and as you can see, it adds a really cool effect to your design. You can adjust the blend modes. And once you apply it, you only applied it to that layer. So you can remove it or keep it. I'm going to export this design and upload it to YouTube. And speaking of YouTube, subscribe to our channel to watch weekly videos and tutorials by PicMonkey.